Well, you guys are probably wondering, number one, first off, why I'm sitting in my my broke down Dirty Max, which I'm going to give you a little bit of a spoiler here, guys. The Duramax is not broke down anymore. The Duramax is doing just fine, which I'm extremely happy about. And as you guys have guessed, yes, I did get my transfer case back yesterday. And I installed my transfer case yesterday from good old Kodiak Trucks in Wisconsin, guys. If you don't know what happened, my transfer case blew up about a month ago. And I made a few videos about it blowing up. I had to get it flat towed here back to the shop by a buddy of mine. It was totally destroyed. Like, we opened it up and there's dust inside of it. Like little dust inside the transfer case. And basically a lot of people recommended Kodiak Truck in Wisconsin to rebuild the transfer case. Almost everybody. I think I got so many comments from the videos, which I'm going to tag here and here and here, so just look out for the transfer case videos there somewhere. But a lot of guys recommended them, and they said, take your transfer case, get your transfer case out to them guys. Those are the guys that can do it. Those are the guys that can do it. So I'm like, all right, cool, no problem. So I contacted Kodiak Truck, and they got back to me almost immediately, which was pretty cool, pretty happy about that. And they were willing to work with me on the transfer case and get her done. And it took about 2 weeks to get it out to them. I actually shipped the transfer case out to them, and I got it this Monday. So it was about a 2-week stretch, which wasn't bad at all, to be honest, to rebuild a transfer case. I'm sure they have a ton of work there to do as well. And to throw mine into the mix was very appreciative of them to be able to do that for me. I'm very thankful for that. So I want to give them a big shout out, guys. So please do me a favor, go check out Kodiak Truck on Instagram and give them a follow. If you need any work done transfer case wise, I'm sure they do other things as well. I think they do transmissions possibly, I'm not sure. But if you need transfer case stuff done, send it out to them, guys. Their prices are really good. Obviously the service is very good, and the turnaround time obviously is also very good. So I'm extremely happy about being able to deal with that company and get my transfer case back and put it in, and it's all working. So this video here that you guys are about to see is the unboxing of the transfer case. I actually messed up the beginning of it, so I'm making a new beginning for the video here inside the truck, and then that'll be one video, and then part 2 of the transfer case will be the install video and a little bit of a test drive that we've done. It's not going to be a big test drive, but it was pretty fun. I'm not going to lie. We had a little bit of fun. But that'll be the second video coming out later this week of the transfer case installed and running and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and here we go. Let's go ahead and let's open this box up, see what's going on. Like I said, I haven't opened this box up. You're sitting on it right now, guys, so I have no idea what this looks like. It actually says this side up. I'll show you here in a minute. But, you know, obviously we're going to use our knivesdeal.com promo code DFR. Promo code DFR. If you want 10% off any knivesdeal.com product, right there. This is my carry knife. I actually like this knife. We're going to use this knife to open this box up. I'm sure you guys are like, Andy, what box are you freaking talking about? And it's this box right here, guys. So very well packaged box, obviously this side up, and they got arrows on it. They really packed it really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I want to show you guys how well they packed this transfer case. Now if you've seen the video that I made, as much as I hate to say it, I did not pack the transfer case nowhere near as neat as they packed this transfer case up, this rebuilt one. I'm assuming this is the original transfer case. This is my original transfer case that they rebuilt. So we're gonna open this thing up and we're gonna take a look and see what this thing looks like. So let's do it, guys. Hope you guys are excited as I am to have, there we go, to have the Duramax back on the road again here. Because I really do miss my truck a lot. She's my baby, and I like her. As you can see, this knivesdeal.com knife is cutting very well. Alright, let's open her up. And the first thing we see here is actually a brand new transmission to transfer case gasket, which is actually pretty awesome. We'll put that over there. Oh wow, they taped up even more. There's so much tape on this. Like, they actually packed this very, very nicely, guys. Let's see here. Come on. Oh yeah, I'm trying not to stab myself in the process, because that would be bad. Alright, we got some styrofoam here. Actually, really nice styrofoam. Look at that. Oh, it's Pink Panther. We have Pink Panther styrofoam. Isn't that freaking awesome, guys? We'll set that over here. Get that out of the way. And then we have, what do we have? Man, we got all kinds of cool stuff here. So we have all this like packing, which is cool. The packing's not a bad thing. They did inform me that my, I guess in shipping, my motor was broken, but it looks like it's just the plug that was broken right there. So I'm gonna have to get a new GM motor for this, which isn't a big deal. Not too concerned about that. I'm glad they gave that back to me. It makes me very, very happy that they returned that to me. We got some paper here. We'll throw that away. We have, what do we have here? Oh, we have a spare bolts that I actually sent along. Just some spare bolts, the front axle cover, and that looks like the gasket for the motor there. So we'll set that over there. And there's a lot of paper. They really packed this. I'll tell you what, they packed this a lot better than I packed it for them. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm sure when they got the package, they probably opened it up and was like, "Yo, what the hell did this guy send us? Like, why are we doing this for him again?" I don't know. But they definitely pack. They definitely put a lot of packing in here, guys. This is actually pretty awesome, not gonna lie. And then they have it covered up and it looks like a trash bag. Oh my God, guys, look at that. You know what? Let's get her out of the box. Let's put the box on the floor. We'll get her out of the box, stick her on the table, and uncover the trash bag off of her, the plastic bag they got to cover her up in, and see what she looks like. I'm super excited to get Duramax back on the road. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kodiak. Thank you. Let's get this thing done. Let's get it going. Look at all the packing they have in here. They don't mess around at all. Like, lots of styrofoam. Keep everything safe from shipping. That way, even if the box gets a little bit of a knock in it or anything from another box, it doesn't affect it. So I'm very happy about that. So here we go. We have the transfer case in this bag. And I don't know if you guys are excited, but I'm stupid excited. Let's get her off of here. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. I just can't. Oh my God. That's amazing. Look at this thing, guys. Freshly painted. Oh my freaking God. Wow. Well, let's get this and we're gonna get that bag out of under there. So it says 5. Oh, look at that. It says 5-way 30 synthetic motor oil only. I was under the impression that these things use synchro mesh, but I guess they don't want you using synchro mesh in these. They want you using synthetic motor oil, probably like Mobil 1 or something. Remanufactured, KodiakTruck.com. There's their number, North Prairie, Wisconsin. Definitely check them guys out. I mean, look at what they've done. Like, literally, we'll look at what they've done, guys. You cannot go wrong with this company at all. Wow. This is amazing. This is freaking amazing. Now, this transfer case has been upgraded with everything possible to upgrade in a transfer case to definitely make sure it's going to last forever and not break. It does have the pump saver in it, I'm guessing, which is in this area here. Wow, this is just crazy. Like, wow, look at this. Like, guys, look at this. Like, tell me this is not the coolest looking, prettiest transfer case you've ever seen in your life. All right, guys. So there you have it. The transfer case is in. God, I cannot stop looking at this thing. I mean, it's not technically in the truck, but it's shipped in. Like, this thing is just, I cannot wait. I honestly cannot wait to get this transfer case in the truck and start testing it, which will be the next video coming out. The next video I do will be of the transfer case in the truck. But I have to say, guys, Kodiak Truck did a hell of a freaking job putting this thing together and painting it, making it look pretty. We're going to definitely be testing this transfer case out. I can guarantee you that. Once the transfer case is in, we are going to be going mud bogging. We're gonna find some mud holes. We're gonna do some hauling, some towing of boats. We're gonna do just some fun stuff with this transfer case. We're gonna put it through the test. We're gonna see what this transfer case can handle. Hopefully it can handle a lot. I'm pretty sure and I'm pretty confident that it can handle a lot. It looks like they did an amazing job on it, and I really can't wait to test it. So other than that, guys, next video you'll see will be of it being installed in the truck and operational. We're going to test out the 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, make sure everything's working as smooth as possible, and we'll be going from there then, guys. Then we'll be testing it out, like I said, and doing some mudding, some rock climbing, whatever. We're going to do some fun stuff with the Duramax. It's going to be amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a big favor. Give it a thumbs up, but also give Kodiak Truck a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Diablo Formula Racing. And also don't forget to subscribe as well, guys. Other than that, we are out of here. Deuces.